Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Mr. Marashani online lessons. Today, of course, we are going to continue from where we left. Now on number 7, which is agriculture, still working on this question paper, November 2021, geography paper 2. Outline the objectives of the resettlement program in Zimbabwe. Resettlement program ndo yekuti vanhu vaipuwa land, where the Zimbabweans were given land and also land was given to the landless. Vanga vane mazifama achitorwa vachidhivhaidwa vachisherwa, saka vanga vaine zvinangwa zvipi? What are the objectives? When you are talking about objectives, we are talking about the aims of what we call land reform program. Okay, so in Zimbabwe, they wanted equitable, which means equal land distribution. That was the best aim of land reform program or resettlement program, and also to reduce livestock and human pressure on communal lands. That was another aim there, and also to improve, of course, agricultural production and have sustainable development, and to improve also the standard of living, and also to ensure food security in a nation. Okay, and also to offer employment opportunities to the landless, and also to the unemployed, kuti vanga vasina mabasa vayani vanga vasina land vawanewo zvekuita, handitika. And also to bring idle or underused land into full production and maximize land capacity utilization, kuti minda yanga isingashandiswe itange kushandiswa, bringing idle land into use. And also to prevent conflict over land between the communal household, farmers, and the landless. These are the aims of what we call resettlement program, especially in Zimbabwe. Item 2, it says describe model A1 of the accelerated resettlement program. A1 yaimbotaura kuti kudii of the accelerated resettlement program. This one, it aimed at decongesting communal areas and also targeted at land constrained farmers in communal areas, and also to ensure production for subsistence and relatively small farmers to be assisted, and farmers to own 3 to 6 hectares of arable land away from the residential stands, and also to the reserved land for infrastructure services, e.g., the construction of the deep tanks, and also drilling of bores, and also schools. Moving on to the next question, B, it says start table 7.1 below showing outputs of a newly resettled farmer in region IV and other answer questions which follow. So I talked about this video where I was explaining about inputs, processes, and outputs. So now we are going to talk about this. Outputs quantity: maize 1 ton, sorghum 300 kg, Rapoko 250, groundnuts and roundnuts 400, sweet potato 200 kg, sunflower 400, others vegetables, beans 20 kg, cattle 6 head, others donkeys and goats 12. Explain the output of the farmer. Please, you need to be careful. If they are saying explain, it means they are saying describe, and after describing you must give the reason for your description. Reason, so it's a description plus reason, description plus reason, description plus reason. So and then I'm going to look at the table here, and I will offer description and the reason for that. As you can see, we have large grain, which is maize, which is 1 ton. What is the reason? To ensure food what security. That is the reason there. And there is also growing of drought resistant crops like sorghum and rapoko. Why are they growing drought resistant crops? Because maybe the place it has low rainfall. Maybe that was the answer. And there is one cash crop, which is sunflower. This one cash crop, which is what? Sunflower, and also donkeys and what. Why vakaisa one cash crop? It's because they wanted to increase the income, and also to make sure that they get foreign currency so that they can just venture into next season of agriculture. And I think those are the things. Yeah, and also they are growing mainly food crops to improve the diet of the people, and also donkeys, kukipa donkeys. Maybe they are doing that for drought power, yeah, or for transport. Maybe that's of the reason. So this is the explanation. Draw a bar graph to show the food crops. Bar graph zvaunongoita harinetsi, handunoona haritombonetsa kana. Let me show you how you are going to do it. Harinetsi. Bar graph, bar graph, bar graph, bar graph, bar graph. Uh-huh. A bar graph. So it's as simple as that. All right. We must have something like this. Unongoridai so. So here we are going to have quantity, yeah, quantity. Then here we are going to have outputs. All right, you make sure that the first bar it's 1 ton, 1 ton. So you have a bar like this representing 1 ton. For 1 ton is what? It's maize. Then you write maize inside. Then for maybe 300, when hombechi 400, 400. Maybe Kunok we can just say 200, 400, 600, 800. Yeah. So what is next here? 400, 400, 400 is what? It's sunflower, sunflower and groundnuts. Sunflower. Then you move on, you draw again another 400. It's for groundnuts. You write groundnuts inside. Then you move on, we have 200. 200 is for what? A sweet potato. You write sweet potato inside. And another 200. Where is another 200? We don't have. We have 250. Some of them. 250. It's for rapoko. You write rapoko. What else? What else? 300. 300 is somewhere there. 300 is for sorghum. You write sorghum. You're going to continue. And 20 kg. 20 kg. It's almost here. Yeah. You write what represent 20 kg there, and 20 donkeys and head, you put it here. Yeah, and 6, just like that. Then you write inside. This is a bar graph for you. All right. Suggest the social and economic importance of the animals to the farmer. Ma-animals ari kukosherei to the farmer. Ma-economic nema-social benefits. Let's start with the economic. They are acting as drought power kunyanya madonki, income and source of raw materials, and also for transport and manure production. But when it comes to social, ndo dzavashashandisa mombe for the payment of lobola, mombe dzeumai, and also as a symbol of wealth and also cultural uses and as a source of food at some point. How would you assist the farmer to increase production on the farm? Ungabatsira sei murimi uyu kuti increase the production on the farm? Obviously, you are going to offer training or educational campaign through the use of Anam domain, master farmers, and also provision of inputs in time, which is timelessly, and also extension of services, and also we are going to supply pest controls so that he can deal with the disease, and also provision of irrigation schemes, since wanga uchiona kuti anga achirima madrought resistant crops kuti mvura yake haisi kunyatso kuita zvakanaka, and also acquiring loans and also conservation of fencing, and also what else can you help this farmer? You can do with him what you call contract farming, and also to advise the farmer to use hybrid seeds. Hybrid seeds. So I hope you assisted, guys. This marked the end of this question, which is question number 7 on geography. So meet you in the next one. I hope you are assisted. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe, like to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share the link so that others they can also join us, since soon you will be doing live lessons. Okay, thank you so much. Help your friends, encourage them to subscribe. Can I also to a subscriber? Make sure you subscribe. Meet you in the next one.